Good morning, my dear students. In chapter 5b, we had studied about relative atomic mass. So, relative atomic mass, we had seen that it is the comparison of atomic mass of any substance with the atomic mass of 1/12 of C12. By definition, we say that relative atomic mass or atomic weight of an element, it is the number that how many times one atom is heavier than 1/12 times the mass of an atom of carbon whose atomic mass is 12. Then we had studied relative molecular mass, atomic mass, gram molecular mass, mole concept. Once again, I would like to make you sure that if we understand this, what is mole concept, we will be able to solve the numericals. Once again, here I am repeating what is 1 mole. See, we know, and once again I am reminding you, this chapter, certain laws, these laws are applicable only for the gases, not for liquid, not for solids. Suppose if we take ammonia gas, it is one molecule of, here nothing is written, means it is one molecule. So one molecule of ammonia, its mass will be what? It is made up of 1 nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen. Its mass will be 1 into 14 plus 3 into 1. It will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 17. So, its mass is 17 AMU. So, it is one molecule of ammonia, and this is the mass of one molecule of ammonia. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass, it is the mass. Molecular mass, mass of one molecule, mass of one molecule of a substance. Mass of one molecule of a substance is called molecular mass. So, here molecular mass of ammonia is molecular mass is 17 AMU. If we express this molecular mass in gram, it will be gram molecular mass. Now instead of 17 AMU, it will be 17 gram. If we take 17 ग्राम ऑफ अमोनिया, एकदम तौल लेना है 17 ग्राम. If someone asks what is this, then we will say this is 17 gram of ammonia. This 17 gram of ammonia is called 1 mole. So here molecular mass को अगर हम ग्राम में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, देन इट विल बी 17 ग्राम. और खाली एक्सप्रेस नहीं करना है बाबू मैया, उतना वजन भी लेना है 17 ग्राम्स. 17 ग्राम्स अमोनिया का वजन लेंगे. देन आफ्टर टेकिंग अ वेट ऑफ 17, आफ्टर टेकिंग अ मास ऑफ 17 ग्राम ऑफ अमोनिया, we can call it is 1 mole of ammonia. Now this 1 mole of ammonia it contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of ammonia. 1 mole, it contains this number of molecules. This number is also called as Avogadro number. So mole is nothing. Mole is the number of atoms or molecules or ions. After finishing this chapter, once again we will do the revision of mole concept. Now, this 1 mole, what is the mass of this 1 mole? 17 gram, which contains this much. If we put in a vessel whose inside temperature and pressure is STP, STP means 0 degree Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, it will occupy a volume of 22.4 liter or 22.4 decimeter cube or 22,400 cm cube. Then our last topic in this chapter 5b is your vapor density. First, we should know what is vapor density or what is relative vapor density. Once again, I would like to remind you this chapter, these things are applicable only for the gas. So what is relative vapor density? Suppose we are taking a gas X, any gas, X means any gas. So relative vapor density, it is the ratio between mass of equal volume of any gas, suppose X, and mass of equal volume of hydrogen. Condition is what? It should be taken at the similar conditions of temperature and pressure. There should be no alteration. Both things, both in this ratio, this mass should be taken at same temperature and pressure, and this should be also taken at same temperature and pressure. So relative vapor density, it is the mass of equal volume of any gas at similar temperature and pressure conditions by mass of equal volume of hydrogen gas. Here equal volume, both the gases, either जिस गैस का लेना है and hydrogen gas का, both the gases have equal volume under similar conditions pressure. Now what is Avogadro's law? कि equal volume of all the gases contains the same number of molecules under the similar conditions of temperature and pressure. तो हमने पढ़ा है, we had studied कि all the gases under the similar conditions of temperature and pressure, all equal volume gases will have same number of molecules. So if the volume are equal, they will contain same number of molecules. Suppose if it is X molecules, तो mass of X molecule of any gas by mass of X molecule of hydrogen. तो X get cut. We can write mass of one molecule of gas by mass of one molecule of hydrogen. we can say it. Mass of one molecule of gas and mass of one molecule of hydrogen. Now, it is mass of one molecule of hydrogen, mass of one molecule of that gas, suppose it is X gas, then one atom plus one atom of hydrogen, it makes one molecule of hydrogen. Means one molecule contains two atoms. So mass of one molecule of hydrogen means mass of two atoms of hydrogen. Mass of two atoms of hydrogen. Now mass of one atom of hydrogen is considered to be 1. So it will be what? 2 atoms of hydrogen means mass will be, total mass will be 2 atoms. Means 2. So we can write it. Now mass of one molecule of that gas, any gas, and mass of 2 atoms of hydrogen. We know, just right now we had seen कि if it is ammonia, one molecule of ammonia, it is one molecule of ammonia which contains one nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen atoms. If we count the mass, the mass of nitrogen, one atom has mass 14. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So it contains one nitrogen, it will be 14 plus. It is atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, it will be 3. 14 plus 3 will be 17. This 17 is the molecular mass. So what is molecular mass? Mass of one molecule of a substance. This mass of one molecule of a substance is called molecular mass. Here also we are using the mass of one molecule of gas, means mass of one molecule is molecular mass of that gas by mass of 2 atoms, but 2. Or if we do the cross multiplication, it will be twice of 2 into or twice of relative vapor density. It will be molecular mass, or molecular mass is equal to twice of vapor density. Molecular mass is twice of vapor density. Or even we can say relative vapor density or simply vapor density is half of molecular mass. It is half of molecular mass. So in board exams we may be asked, establish a relation between relative vapor density and molecular mass. What we will do, first we will give the definition. The ratio between mass of equal volume of gas, any gas जिसका हमको वेपर डेंसिटी का रिलेशन मेंटेन करना हो, तो the ratio between mass of equal volume of that gas and hydrogen under same conditions of temperature and pressure. So what will be then relative vapor density? Mass of volume. Suppose the volume is V of that gas. That means we have to take the volume V for hydrogen. So mass of volume V for both the gases, hydrogen and that gases. According to Avogadro's law, volume at same temperature and pressure, what we have seen, will have same number of molecules. So like this one, I had taken X molecules, Here it is taking 1 molecule. Same thing. This X will cut. We'll have 1 molecule of the gas by 1 molecule of hydrogen, but 1 molecule of hydrogen contains 2 atoms. So it will be mass of 2 atoms of hydrogen. So this 2 here, 2 into mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. So 2 is here, it is multiplied. So here will be mass of 1 atom of hydrogen, and mass of 1 atom of hydrogen is 1. So it will be 2 into vapor density, which is equal to molecular mass of a gas. Molecular mass of a gas, this means the relative molecular mass of a gas. Relative molecular mass of a gas, I have also written this one. Relative molecular mass is 2 into vapor density, twice of its vapor density. This relation we should keep in our mind if such type of questions normally carry 2, sometimes 3 marks. This is for today. We will do the revision just after. There are very small topics left. This is percentage. From here, 100% you will get the questions, and it will take 1 day, 5C, and hardly 10 to 15 minutes for this 5D. So in the next class we will finish this chapter 5, then we will do revision for 1 classes. So wish you all the best. Have a good day.